Hey guys, happy Valentine's Day. So today I'm gonna take you guys with me as I go for my derma and I'm gonna try a head spa in the afternoon. So yeah, I'm bringing you guys with me. And yeah, self-love tayo today. Ito lang ang fit ko. So, Mardina t-shirt and jeans and the Chypre sandals. We made it to Podium Mall. Buti pa si Kuya, binati ako ng Happy Valentine's. It is 11:25 pa lang. And 11:30 yung actually 12 yung appointment ko. So, I don't remember which floor it's on. Hanapin na lang natin, maaga pa naman. And then later, I'm not sure where I'm gonna eat. Baka one of these places before I go to my other appointment. Ito pala yung Atelier Debbie ko. Lagi ko itong nakikita on Instagram. Okay, there we go. We finally found it. Ayan, we're at Luminisc now. Hello po. Ang cute ng tin nila. May pa-flower, o, diba?
Luxury facial po for the hydration and also for lightening of any pigmentation po. This one is galvanic po. Nagbibigay siya ng minimal current para mag-relax si muscle. Habang nag-relax din si muscle, nagkakaroon din po siya ng minimal lifting effect. Infusion siya ng antioxidant medicine to help lighten the pigmentation.
So, perfect din siya sa acne marks.
Bali, makaka-help lang po siya to lighten po.
Okay.
Ito po yung pang-pore Steph ng handpiece ng Luxury Facial. This one po is infusion po siya ng therapeutic cream for redness, inflammation, and dryness din po.
Naantok na ako, guys. And then I think the next one might be the pricking, which is what I hate kasi sobrang sakit nun. But we'll see. So, pricking is done and I had to tell her to stop kasi hindi ko na kaya. Tapos, she also injected something dun sa mga may big bumps and old pimples talaga. I don't know what it was that she injected. Pero ayan. This is antibiotic right now and then I'm gonna have a mask on after. Okay guys, so tapos na tayo and it is now around 1:25. So medyo mabilis lang din siya. I'm just gonna go and probably walk around and eat before I go to my next appointment. Kasi malapit na yun sa amin sa San Juan. Ayan, so dito na lang kakain sa Lola Modern Filipino Dining. I've never been here but I've always wanted to try their food. So let's see kung anong kakainin ko. They have Valentine's special. Ayan. But then, ito talaga yung original menu nila. Garlic rice. Oh, I wanna try this. And this. So here's what I got. I got garlic rice. And then, there's also kare-kare. Ayan, this is beef kare-kare. For one, solo. And then I'm still waiting for my drink. So I just finished eating and syempre I had to get coffee. So I just grabbed a small Spanish latte from the Coffee Bean. And then now I'm on my way to look for Watson's kasi nagpapabili si mami ng alcohol. I'll go home siguro muna and then from there I'll go to the spa after. Okay, so nakuha ko na yung pinapabili ni mami. Alcohol lang naman sa Watson's. And then, I'm just waiting for my ride now to go home. Uwi muna ako.
We try towards the other horizon, maybe to spend a couple hundred.
Grabe, ang lakas bigla. Grabe guys, I'm like 20 minutes late. Finally made it. This is so embarrassing though. Ayan. Sarap. This is perfect for my throat also. And the weather because it's raining outside. Lakas pa rin ng ulan. Video ko lang ate ha. Wow, ang ganda. Thank you.
Accessories niyo po.
Po. I wanna show this lang din. Ayan.
Kaya pala may oil naman.
Oh my gosh, ganyan siya. Tsaka may itchiness din talaga and medyo may dandruff din.
As of now, wala tayong nakita ng dandruff, ma'am. Pero mayroong mga spots na medyo may red. Which is parang nakakamad natin, ma'am. Meron kang parang spot lang na mayroong may dryness. Kasi nakita ko sa hair mo, ma'am, may isa akong kukunin.
That's regulating din po yung ano niyo, scalp.
Okay. Dry ano to ate? Ang tawag?
Dry brushing, ma'am.
Dry brushing. Ayan.
Niya po. Is pinapalambot naman niya yung mga build-up or dead skin. Then, ino-open yung follicles natin para mamaya pag-apply natin ng treatment, mabilis na lang siya mag-absorb. So, mas mabilis po natin siya i-scrub po.
Ganun pala yun.
Okay.
Wala ba si Miss Linel dito today?
Ay, wala, ma'am. Nung isang araw, ma'am, nagpunta si Ma'am Lenel.
Sayang. Gusto ko siya
Daming
mamit.
nagpa-picture sa kanya.
Talaga ba?
Opo.
May pag-wash pa ng paa.
So, konting massage na siya at sleep when you sleep.
So, actually guys, nagpa-upgrade ako. More on scalp treatment yung in-upgrade ko kasi parang more on relaxation and massage pala tong nabook ko na 90 minutes and then the other one is 2 hours. So, nung pagka-check nila ng hair ko na medyo may dryness nga daw, parang medyo kailangan din talaga yon. And since nandito naman ako and this was actually the purpose, not to relax, kasi nagpa-massage naman ako sa Vietnam, sabi ko sige upgrade na nila. So, ayun. Actually, na-late nga ako. Ang bait nila kasi hindi rin naman daw nila babawasan yung time kasi traffic talaga. And, ayun. So, right now, I'm just doing the steam. Ayan. For 10 minutes. Para maka-help lang daw. Maloosen up siguro yung mga build-up. And then, go from there after.
So, medyo may calling effect po siya, ma'am. Inaantok ako.
So this is not the most flattering angle, but this is the waterfall treatment right now. And the ate said she's gonna massage me while this is happening. She just needed to go use the washroom. Pero, ayan. Okay, I might not be able to finish this vlog actually because it's very relaxing and I'm like literally falling asleep. I'll just show you guys what I end up showing you.
A few minutes later.
Guys po is anti-dandruff po siya. So, probiotic din po. So, tinutulungan niya na pakalmahin yung mga dry sa scalp natin or dandruff.
Okay.
Then, ito naman po yung head protectant kasi mag-blow dry tayo para safe yung hair natin, hindi po masusunog.
Okay, so it's pretty much done. Ngayon, I'm just waiting for my drink again kasi may pa-free drink ulit sila and I'm getting the same drink, the hot citron, honey citron, parang ganon. And then, the technician or whatever is gonna check the scalp again. Syempre better na yan, so we'll see the results after.
Mas ganda na hair growth. May patubo ka
Tumutubo.
pang hair, oh. Kapal na, di ba, ma'am? Pero may tumutubo pa din.
Yeah, kapal na ng strand.
Ang dami mong patubong hair.